In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly add a hyperlink in Microsoft Teams chat using an easy shortcut. If you often share links in Teams and want to make them look clean and professional, this quick tip will save you time. First, open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat or channel where you want to send your message. Click inside the message box so you can start typing. To add a hyperlink using the shortcut, press Ctrl+K on your keyboard if you're on Windows, or Command+K if you're using a Mac. A small link window will pop up. Then type a chat you want as text display. In the address field, paste the URL you want to link to. After that, click Insert or simply press Enter. Your selected text will now appear as a clickable hyperlink in the message box. You can add more text if needed, then send the message as usual. Another option is to paste the full URL directly into the chat. Microsoft Teams will automatically convert it into a clickable link, but using the shortcut looks cleaner and more professional, especially in work conversations. And that's it. With this simple keyboard shortcut, you can quickly add hyperlinks in Microsoft Teams chats and keep your messages neat and easy to read. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials.